Garden greetings, everyone. We did a stop at Aldi a couple weeks ago. I say around 2 weeks or so. And of course, Aldi has their weekly finds that you find every Wednesday in that special aisle. And this happens to be the garden items that they had for sale. So we went by there and we ended up finding the Asiatic lily. The lilies came in 9 of them in a bag. These are how they look. Oh, aren't they pretty? All right, here is my pot. I purchased this from the Dollar General during the off season when it was on sale. Now, it is a plastic container, of course. But one thing I do love is that it comes with its own saucer that comes with a click piece, and you just sit it in and click, and there we go. So I've had great results with Aldi flowers before. Last year, me and my mom split them and they did really good. So of course, no questions asked, I picked up a bag of each different type of flower, and the Asiatic lily is what we're going to pot for the inside. I want to have a gorgeous flower that'll bloom. The recommendation is that you plant this in March for it to grow around June and July. So it'll be a summer plant that I expect to look gorgeous indoors. We're going to plant 2 bulbs in this container, and I heard that it has a great smell. So first you're trying this. Let's see how we do.